Hi everyone, it's Pad Cha today. If you're already a fan of Pad Ka Prao, I'm pretty sure you love this one. It's a delicious stir fry that's full of flavors from all these fresh and healthy Thai herbs. And you can pad with anything you like. I'm gonna pad with some squids and prawns. And as usual, with most of Thai stir fries, you need to make the paste first. Garlic. Fresh peppercorn. Fresh peppercorn has the heat that's good for blood circulation. Fingerroot. It's similar to ginger but has less heat. It also has a lemony fragrance, making it really refreshing. And it's medicinal in general. Shallot, finely sliced. Fresh chilies depends on how brave you are. I'm showing you briefly of how I deal with the squids, and I hope this is useful to some of you. You can peel the skin off or you can leave it too. I kept the tentacles and discarded the rest of the head, because we don't eat the beak inside the head. The prawns I've got here had conveniently been deveined and cleaned, so I just needed to remove most of the shell. Next, we'll prepare the herbs for the stir fry. Fresh peppercorn and fingerroot are quite difficult to find in London. I by chance has got these two from my local Asian supermarkets. These tiny roots on the skin, you can eat them, but I prefer to scrape them off. This big chili is not for making the food spicy, I'm using it for extra colour. Lime leaves for more fragrance. Thai sweet basil. The smell is like perfume to me. Sweet, fragrant and very appetizing. And the blossoms are even more fragrant. Now we can pad. So high heat and make sure your wok is hot. This is a flash stir fry, keep the heat high all the way through. When your entire household starts to sneeze and cough. Just like that. Add the prawns and squids. Halfway through cooking your prawns and squids, add fingerroot and fresh peppercorn. A tablespoon of fish sauce and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Rinse the mortar with a little bit of water and add that precious water to the wok. Lastly, the big chili, lime leaves and those lovely Thai sweet basils. So pad is a stir fry and cha is a sizzling Thai sound when the food lands on a very hot wok. Just like this. Heat off and now you got a divine pad cha right in front of you. If you want to be the first one to know what I'm going to bring you next time, click subscribe. Thank you everyone.